Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely great if you are a LEGO fan and you're looking for a really cool build. So this is the LEGO Icons Fountain Garden set. Absolutely love it because it's very customizable to whatever kind of display you want. So first off, this is set 10359. It is designed for ages 18 and up. As you can see, it comes in this little box right here. Like all LEGO sets, it comes with a very easy to follow instruction manual that just is going to go through all the different bag numbers, so you can easily build it and have a great relaxing time. Now this particular set is 1,302 pieces. Obviously you are gonna get tons of spare little pieces of all the mini ones, and they also include the little brick remover tool if you put anything in correctly. Now as you can see, this is what it looks like all assembled. It's a really cool fountain. I absolutely love the realistic water element aspect of the fountain in the center. To give you an idea of the size, it's about 11 inches wide. It's about 7¼ inches in depth and about 5¾ inches in height. And you can see you're gonna have lots of different plants. You got like this little grape tree here. You got some Italian cypresses. You got plenty of vines, a flowering bush. You get these little bird characters. But like I said, everything is customizable. So you will notice the kind of the quadrants will be able to be moved and rotated out depending on whatever kind of setup you want. Which is just kind of cool. So you can put this, like, you can have it to where the building looking element is on the end, or you can kind of swap it around and make it to where it's kind of portrait mode, if you will. So you just kind of put your pieces where you want, and then you're gonna notice there's all these little holes for the trees that's gonna allow you to adjust those as well. So you can really make this set your own, which is just a feature that I think is really, really cool because it's not going to be right out of the box. You can just kind of make it more personalized in your display area, which I absolutely love that aspect of this. But it has a very nice, clean looking base. So it's going to display very, very well on a shelf wherever you are wanting to set it up. So overall, like I said, if you are looking for a really cool LEGO build that you can put in your office, put in your living room, or just build together as a family, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.